In this video, we will share with you some lifestyle changes that can help minimize tinnitus. Tinnitus is a condition characterized by a ringing, buzzing, or hissing sound in the ears. It can be quite bothersome and affect your daily life. However, by making a few adjustments to your lifestyle, you can find relief. Stay tuned as we discuss some helpful tips and tricks with Claritox Pro, a natural supplement that can support you on your journey to minimize tinnitus. Stress can worsen tinnitus symptoms. Therefore, it's important to find ways to reduce stress in your life. Engage in stress-relieving activities such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. These activities can help relax your mind and body, potentially reducing the intensity of tinnitus. Consider incorporating stress reduction techniques into your daily routine to experience the benefits. Loud noises can aggravate tinnitus. Protect your ears by wearing earplugs or earmuffs when you are exposed to loud sounds. Whether you are attending a concert, using power tools, or spending time in a noisy environment, taking precautionary measures can prevent further damage to your ears and potentially alleviate tinnitus symptoms. What you eat can also impact tinnitus. Avoid consuming excessive amounts of caffeine, nicotine, and alcohol, as they can exacerbate symptoms. Instead, opt for a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods contain vitamins and minerals that promote overall health, which can indirectly contribute to minimizing tinnitus. Regular exercise not only benefits your physical health but can also have positive effects on tinnitus. Engaging in aerobic activities such as walking, swimming, or cycling increases blood flow to the ears. Improved blood circulation can potentially reduce the severity of tinnitus. Find an exercise routine that suits your preferences and make it a regular part of your lifestyle. A good night's sleep is essential for overall well-being, including tinnitus management. Establish a consistent sleep schedule and create a relaxing bedtime routine. Ensure that your sleeping environment is quiet and comfortable. By prioritizing sleep and getting sufficient rest, you can potentially minimize the impact of tinnitus on your daily life. Making lifestyle changes can play a significant role in minimizing tinnitus. Remember to reduce stress, limit exposure to loud noises, maintain a healthy diet, exercise regularly, and get sufficient sleep. Additionally, consider incorporating Claritox Pro, a natural supplement specifically designed to support tinnitus management. Take control of your tinnitus and improve your quality of life. Thank you for watching.